T3, time now to check in with Marlene the Plant Lady to answer more of your questions.
Okay, here she is again. Where are the cats? Still sleeping?
No, they're running around.
Okay, all right.
They just take a little bit longer to get camera ready.
I see, I see.
You know, they got to quaff.
Yeah, okay, so here's the first one here. It's a plumeria plant. Let's take a look here.
Plumerias.
And the person says, got it a few weeks ago. Instruction says to water half-cup water once a week till it gets 5-inch leaves, which will take 2 months. But what about when it's 100 degrees outside?
Yeah, so those are pretty specific watering instructions, and you know, that allows people to sort of get a gauge to how to water their plants. But really, I have to stress, there's a few things you look at more importantly than the instructions that come on the plant. You always want to look at, you know, where you're growing it, the type of soil, and the feel of the soil. Now, plumerias should be in morning sun and afternoon shade. They don't want afternoon sun here in the summer. It could cook them. They like to be in a succulent mix because they're sort of succulent. So they sort of want a fast draining soil. So what I would do is water that pot thoroughly until water comes out the bottom. So it doesn't matter how much water, as long as water's draining out the bottom. Dig around, make sure the soil is completely saturated. And then when the top few inches, like 4 inches of that pot get dry, and then water it again. So in this case, just sort of throw those instructions away, go off of how the soil is treating you, but move it into some afternoon shade as well. You know, they're tropical plants. They love humidity. You're pushing their limits here, so at least give them some shade so they don't get that dry sun in the afternoon.
All right, let's get into this blueberry plant here. The person says, hey, there's light leaves. Shouldn't they be dark green? What's going on?
This is normal for a lot of new leaves on certain plants. Some new leaves will even come out red until they get all their chlorophyll in there. It's sort of a protective mechanism because green is the pigment that allows photosynthesis, but then of course that allows, you know, water to escape out of the leaf. So when you're maybe not as green, you're sort of protecting yourself from losing water. So this will balance itself out. Of course, if it stays sort of pale green, and then definitely if the veins are darker than the surrounding leaf, then you have an iron deficiency. That's because blueberries are acid loving. So if you're in an area with alkaline water, remember to give your blueberries soil sulfur in spring and in the fall because you're trying to counter effect that alkaline water. So right now they look fine, but if it doesn't adjust, soil sulfur, and if they just stay green with no venation difference, then give it a little bit of nitrogen. But pick those blueberries, eat those blueberries.
Yeah, really, huh? All right.
Great. Yeah.
Next question. This one here is all about tomatoes because the person says, I never planted them, but they're here. Why and what are they? What kind?
Okay, so some people wish this could happen to them, right? It's just like something. So either someone had tomatoes there before at some time and something triggered them, like disturbing the soil, or even birds and animals brought some tomatoes in. So yes, tomatoes will re-sprout. You might see it in your garden. They're all edible, but the problem is hybrids don't necessarily come true to seed. So say you buy a tomato at the store and you harvest the seeds from it, you may not necessarily get that tomato. Heirlooms are more genetically stable, so they're you know, generations they produce the same one. So it's really hard to tell if it's just sort of a standard red tomato, what variety it is, if it's just been, you know, just sprouted up in your yard. But they're all edible, and generally they taste fine and yummy. But yeah, consider yourself lucky.
Yeah, they're very lucky. All right, she'll be here next hour. Keep getting those questions in. Hopefully she'll get to yours. If not, again, follow her on Facebook. You can post it there on Marlene the Plant Lady or on Instagram and YouTube, as well as Flower Power Garden Hour.